Sight words.
Grade 1.
500 useful sight words for first grade students.
Part 1.
A.
I have a book.
And
I like reading and writing.
are.
We are friends.
As.
I'm as happy as can be.
At.
I'm at school.
B.
I want to be a doctor.
But
I like ice cream, but not cake.
by.
I'm going to the store by myself.
Do.
What do you like to do?
For.
This gift is for my mom.
From.
I'm from New York.
Get.
I need to get my backpack.
Give.
Can you give me a pencil?
Going.
I'm going to the park.
Had.
I had a great time at the party.
Has.
My mom has a new car.
Have.
I have a pet dog.
He.
He is my best friend.
Help.
Can you help me with my homework?
Her.
She is my sister.
Here.
I'm here to help you.
How.
How are you today?
I.
I like playing soccer.
If.
If it's sunny, we can go outside.
In.
I'm in the classroom.
Is.
He is very tall.
It.
It's a beautiful day.
It's.
The cat chases its tail.
Just.
I just ate breakfast.
No.
I know the answer.
Like.
I like playing with blocks.
Little.
I have a little sister.
Long.
The line is very long.
Look.
Look at the picture.
Made.
I made a new friend.
Me.
Can you help me?
Might.
I might go to the movies tonight.
My.
This is my favorite book.
New.
I got a new bike.
Like.
I like broccoli. It's delicious.
Not.
I'm not tired.
Now.
It's time to go now.
Of.
I'm part of the team.
Off.
Turn off the lights.
On.
The TV is on.
One.
I have one dog.
Or.
Do you like ice cream or cake?
Out.
I'm going out to play.
Over.
The ball went over the fence.
Said.
My mom said I can go.